Yeah, Peter Campbell, Densford Civil, one of the directors at Densford. I've been working for the company for about 17 years and the company's been operating for around 31. Densford started in 91 and with just a handful of people and a couple of bits of gear. We've grown slowly over the years, but today we have over 100 bits of gear and just under 100 people. Yeah, we traditionally vary our work a bit. At the moment we're doing a lot of subdivisions, but traditionally we've done airports, port work, marinas and underground services. So we're full suite of civil construction. Yeah, so we're currently on site here at Southern River Business Park. This is a large commercial subdivision for the local council here. So traditionally we've bought Volvo excavators off CJD. We've done that for many years and we've really had good reliability and good use out of those machines over a long period of time. This is the first loader that we've bought off CJD. It's probably a large loader for our fleet, but we're currently completing a lot of large-scale earthworks. In WA, it's extremely hard to find good operators. It's an extremely busy economy. We decided we'll ask all our guys what's their preferred brand of loader and size, and it was the consensus that the L150 Volvo was the best choice for us.
My name's Nelly, nickname obviously. Been in civil earth moving for 37 years around metropolitan Perth. Predominantly on all machines, but my favourite machine and the machine I favour the most is front end loaders. Okay, well this is the first time I've been on a Volvo, been on pretty much everything else except the Volvo. I find it very comfortable for the operator. You don't get out at the end of the day feeling fatigued with the machine. A lot of machines that you do drive, you get, at the end of the day of long hours, you do get fatigued. With this one here, you don't seem to get that. The dash cluster is set up perfectly. You're not scanning all over the cab and gauges and that, everything's in a good position. For cutting levels and final trim work, which is pretty much what I do most of the time, the bucket is a nice deep bucket. So when you actually put it on the ground, you're not chasing the bucket all the time with the levers. You can cut a nice, clean, easy final trim with it. And vision also is pretty important on a loader when you're trimming, doing roadworks, house pads and stuff like that. It's a good bucket for that. You can actually see what you're cutting. And if you do need to make adjustments on the way, it's very easy to correct and to get the adjustments right. So vision's very good in it. One thing I do love about this is the big screen and the reverse camera. You can literally see everything without having to be twisting all the time to double check yourself. With a lot of loaders, you've got a small screen and you've still got to look behind to double check. With this one here, I've found that's one thing you don't need to do. One thing I've found with the Volvo loader is when you're on full noise and you're pushing up sand or you need that grunt, it's got the grunt there. When you're not needing that, the loader seems to sense that and the eco light comes on, which does actually save you fuel in the long run.
So my name's Robert Amy. I'm a regional sales manager for CJD Equipment. My area I look after is then east all the way out to kind of Meekatharra and Sandstone area. So I've been looking after Densford Civil for about 12 months now. Took over from the previous sales rep who sort of had a long history with Densford. We've always had a great relationship with Densford, even tracking, from the previous sales rep to myself. Really tried hard to keep up that relationship with Densford. Great bunch of guys, we've been dealing with Marty Bullock and Pete Campbell for a long time now. They've sort of put a lot of work our way. So we always put a lot of effort into sort of trying to look after Densford the best we can as well. Densford's always put their trust in us with the excavators, which we've done pretty well with the excavators with Densford for a while. They've just started talking to us about some wheel loaders. So, one loader that we managed to get across the line with them was the Volvo L150H, which is our latest H-series loader. So Densford looked at this machine because, it's really well suited for them for their bulk civil works, trying to move a lot of dirt in these type of developments. So, some of the features that, they really were happy with was the Volvo CareTrack system. So CareTrack is the Volvo telematics and fleet management systems. A lot of the information that you can gain from that system, being working hours, fuel efficiency, machine utilisation, it was something that really appealed to Densford.
So Densford have worked with CJD for over 20 years. We started buying Volvo excavators originally and we've had great success with them and our relationship continues today. We've been buying loaders and rollers off CJD. Rob from CJD and Densford have a great working relationship. Rob's always there to help us out and we work closely together.